Today, Bhagavad Saptaham, our weekly Bhagavad Saptaham, monthly Bhagavad Saptaham will be starting at Ramagiri Ashram here in Badlapur, Mumbai. We are transmitting to you live the early morning Mrityunjay Havan, which will be done by Shri PPM Manohar Nair. Where we invoke the blessings of Lord Shiva before starting the Bhagavad Saptaham later on during the day with Acharya Varanam. The place where we are doing the Havan is called Ramagiri Vrindavan. It is an 11-acre grove of mango trees, more than 1,000 mango trees. It was planted and started in 2013 when the Uttarakhand tragedy occurred. It was our Mathadipati, His Holiness Swami Krishnananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj's vision to plant mango trees to signify protection of nature, especially soil conservation, because mango trees are able to hold the soil together. The landslides of Uttarakhand were due to the destruction of nature due to the interference of man. As the Havan progresses, I will show you glimpses of this beautiful Vrindavan area as well. Mrityunjay Havan being done to invoke Lord Shiva for his blessings on the day of starting our monthly Bhagavad Saptaham. Later on during the day Acharya Varanam will be done. It is Sanskrit Moolam with Malayalam commentary.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव
इससे फेंको मत,
बन्धनात्
आराम से।
मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् 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 मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकबन्धनात् 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 मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् 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 मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकबन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ॐ त्र्यम्बकमजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकबन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात्
This beautiful mango grove consisting of more than 1000 mango trees as well as other trees as well as vegetable farming was established by Swamiji here at Ramgiri Vrindavan in 2013 in the year of the Uttarakhand tragedy in order to promote the ideal of nature conservation and soil conservation. This whole place is taken care of by Adivasi workers who are given housing facility as well to stay here on site by ashram. His Holiness Swami Krishnananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj, our Mathadipati, has materialized this whole place as a tribute to Mother Nature. There are more than 1000 trees. Under each tree, a lamp is placed, and students from our school as well as from other schools sit under those trees, one student at every lamp, and we do the Lalita Sahasranam Archana, which is a chant of the divine names of Divine Mother, who is Prakriti Swarupa, or a manifestation or an embodiment of nature. The mangoes are still green. They are yet to ripen. The yajna is being done with Mahamrityunjay mantra to invoke the blessings of Lord Shiva for starting our Bhagavad Saptaham today, later on during the day. All surrounding temples in the surrounding villages will be visited, and lamp will be brought from each of those temples without extinguishing and merged into the Saptaham Deepam. That will be done later on during the day, and photographs will be posted on my Facebook profile. Till, black till, is the offering that is to be given during any Mrityunjay Havan or any puja involving Lord Shiva. This mango grove, called Ramgiri Vrindavan, extends for an area of 11 acres having more than 1000 mango trees as well as other trees like coconut, jambul, arecanut, papaya, etc. No fertilizers are used here. Cow dung and cow urine from our own Goshala is fermented and used as fertilizer for all these trees as well as our vegetable garden over here. We have another tree plantation called Nakshatra Vatika at another place in our ashram, where 27 different trees related to the 27 nakshatras or stars that come before the moon in 1 month, especially followed in the Malayalam calendar, are planted, as well as banana trees and vegetable farming, vegetable garden. As you can see, the Havan Kund is quite large, dug deep into the ground. Havan Samagri, which is a mixture of a number of different herbs, is offered during the Havan. Mahamrityunjay Havan is being done in the morning today to signify the start of our Bhagavad Saptaham, which is conducted every month. It will start later on in the day with Acharya Varanam. Before that, lamps will be brought from all the surrounding temples in all the surrounding villages, and without extinguishing, their flames will be merged into the flame of the Bhagavad Saptaham lamp. This beautiful place where the Havan is being done is a mango plantation that was started by our Mathadipati, His Holiness Swami Krishnananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj, in 2013. It is called Ramagiri Vrindavan. It extends over an area of 11 acres, having more than 1000 mango trees that were planted to signify protection of nature through soil conservation. It was started in the year of the Uttarakhand tragedy, where heavy rains washed away the soil, resulting in tremendous landslides. To give our support and our proclamation that unless we protect nature and soil conservation through planting of trees, we may see such tragedies repeatedly in other parts of our country as well. There are many other trees over here also, such as coconut, arecanut, jambul, papaya, etc. And also vegetable garden is done over here. It is a purely organic farming. It is no fertilizers are used. We bring cow dung and cow urine from our own Goshala, and after fermenting it in large pits, it is used as manure. This large Havan Kund has been dug into the ground Mahamrityunjay Havan with Mahamrityunjay Havan mantra, offering of til, Havan Samagri and ghee. This whole place is completely looked after by Adivasi workers employed from the Adivasi colony. We give them employment and education and try to prevent liquor addiction, as there is a high rate of local liquor addiction here in the Adivasi colonies as well as the villages. But all the workers, especially the younger generation who are working in Ramgiri in different parts of our ashram, have not taken liquor as their parents have got addicted to, and have grown affluent enough to earn personal vehicles like motorbike, rickshaw, and one of them even has a car now. We have built housing facilities over here for some Adivasis to stay here 24 hours a day with their families in order to provide protection and to look after this plantation. The irrigation over here is done with drip irrigation pipelines, thousands and thousands of feet connected to pumps, as well as two large man-made ponds where water is pumped in from the Barvi river, which flows next to our ashram. We are doing Mahamrityunjay Havan to signify the beginning of our Bhagavad Saptaham, which will start with Acharya Varanam later on during the day. Mahamrityunjay Havan is for invoking the blessings of Lord Shiva to help us complete our Bhagavad Saptaham successfully. Later on during the day, lamps will be brought in procession from every temple in the surrounding villages. Photographs will be posted on Facebook. Those lamps, without being extinguished, will be merged into the Saptaham lamp here at Ramgiri, which will be at the Naimisharanyam Hall in front of the Guruvayurappan temple. We are right now in a place called Ramagiri Vrindavan. This is an 11-acre plantation of more than 1000 mango trees, as well as other trees like coconut, jambul, papaya, arecanut, etc., and also vegetable farming. This was started in the year 2013 by our Mathadipati, His Holiness Swami Krishnananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj, with a view of promoting soil protection and nature conservation, because it was the year of the terrible Uttarakhand tragedy where torrential rains washed away the soil, resulting in landslides and deaths of many innocent people. So, without nature preservation, we may be at the receiving end of such tragedies in other places of the country as well. All the fertilizer used over here is not chemical but organic. Cow dung and cow urine is fermented in large pits from our own Goshala, having more than 40 cows and bulls, and is used here as the fertilizer. The mangoes are still green and small and have not yet ripened, but soon they will be. Irrigation here is by drip irrigation with thousands of feet of drip irrigation pipes that draw water from two large artificial ponds which are filled with water from the Barvi river that flows next to our ashram. we are doing Mahamrityunjay Havan to signify the starting of our Bhagavad Saptaham, which is done every month here at Ramgiri. It will start later on during the day with Acharya Varanam. Before that, lamps will be brought from every temple in the surrounding villages and brought unextinguished to Ramagiri and will be merged with the Saptaham flame over here. It will be Sanskrit Moolam by Acharya Vedvyas, Rishi Vedvyas, and the explanation and commentary will be in Malayalam by Shri K.S.V. Krishnan Iyer. This Havan is done with the Mahamrityunjay Havan mantra for Lord Shiva. It is being done in Ramagiri Vrindavan, which is a part of our ashram. It is an 11-acre plantation of more than 1000 mango trees, along with coconut trees, arecanut trees, jambul trees, and various others, as well as vegetable garden. It was established in the year 2013 by our Mathadipati, His Holiness Swami Krishnanand Saraswati Ji Maharaj, because it was the year of the Uttarakhand tragedy, where thousands of people died due to landslides when the rainwater washed away the soil. Mango trees are particularly able to hold the soil, and so this was a message for the importance of nature protection and soil conservation. The Lalita Sahasranam, or 1000 names of the Divine Mother, is the main mantra of our ashram. A lamp is placed under every tree, and students from our school as well as other schools come and sit in front of those lamps and chant the Lalita Sahasranam, which signify our prayer to Divine Mother, who is an embodiment of nature. The irrigation over here is via drip irrigation pipelines that bring water from 2 artificial ponds that is in turn filled with water pumped from the Barvi river, which flows next to our ashram. The mangoes will soon grow in size and ripen. This whole place is taken care of by an Adivasi labor force. The Adivasis that live in the Adivasi colony near our ashram are employed for most of our ashram works. They have been able, Swamiji has been able to wean them away, especially the younger generation, from an alcohol addiction that is very much prevalent in these areas, especially local liquor. The younger generation, those who are working here in Ramagiri, do not take liquor like their parents and have grown affluent enough to own auto rickshaws, motorbikes, as well as one of them has been able to purchase a car. Housing facilities have been built here in Ramgiri Vrindavan, where some Adivasi families are staying permanently on a 24-hour basis in order to take care of this plantation night and day. Havan is done daily over here in the morning. Today it is specially dedicated to Lord Shiva with the Mahamrityunjay mantra. For the start of our Bhagavad Saptaham, that will be carried out in Naimisharanyam Hall in front of our Guruvayurappan temple. There is another plantation of trees here in Ramgiri called the Nakshatra Vatika, which contains 27 trees that are dedicated to the 27 different nakshatras or stars that come in front of the moon every day over a period of 1 month. That also has a number of banana trees, tapioca, and other vegetables. All the manure that is used over here is free from chemical fertilizers. We use cow dung and cow urine after processing them, like fermentation, that is obtained from our own cows and bulls in our Goshala, having more than 40 cows and bulls. The Havan will continue on till 8:30. I hope I have shown enough for the benefit of all viewers. We will be ending the live transmission now. YouTube link, it will be loaded onto YouTube, and the link will be given on Facebook. Please circulate it to anyone who is interested in watching. Mahamrityunjay Havan being performed for the start of our Bhagavad Saptaham later on during the day. Lamps will be brought from all surrounding villages and will be merged with the lamp here at the Saptaham. Saptaham will be Sanskrit Moolam by Rishi Ved Vyas, and Malayalam commentary. Advance notice will be posted on Facebook regarding important topics that will be transmitted live. Thank you for being with us. Jai Sitaram.